Y'all think I'm going through menopause? Oh my God. What's up? What's up, my loves? And welcome back to all of my new subscribers and viewers. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today we have a new sub for our channel, my loves, and we're going to be unboxing and diving into Tribe Beauty box. I am very excited to receive this box and see what goodies we have. So if you guys want to see what I got in Tribe Beauty boxes box, that's a lot. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, guys? Welcome. As I said in the intro, I am your girl, your friend, your bestie, TonyaNicole. And today we have Tribe Beauty box on the platter. I am still sipping on my same drink. I picked the can up so you guys can see what it looks like. That's what I'm drinking on today, guys. And we're going to take a dance break and a drink break. Oh. Before we go any further, guys, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I really do. Now, guys, let's stop with all the chitter chatter, pitter patter. I am so silly. I'm trying to be calm and collected and be mellow moods, Tonya, but the crazy just keeps sneaking up out of me. Y'all, I know. Now, let's get some specs on this box and see what it do. So, Tribe Beauty Box is a feel-good box that celebrates empowering women-owned indie brands. They focus on quality over brand name. This is a Black-owned subscription, guys. I like that. This box, guys, is $34.99 every 2 months, plus $4.99 in shipping. You will receive 5 products in this box, and the value is supposed to be at like $125 or above. So I'm very excited about that. I did unbox this a while back. I think it was last year, I think. And I really enjoyed the box. So I said, let me try this one and see what it's about now and if we're going to keep it around. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. I hope y'all ready to party and have fun because, boo, I am. Y'all know what it is, November. All right, y'all, we opened this baby up. And this is the September, October box. I'm not sure. I think it's September, October box. They do allow you to customize. This month, we got to customize a palette. And I did not get the one that I wanted because I went on the site kind of late, but I got the other one. I think that one is going to be equally as good. The theme for this month is Dusk to Dawn. There's all of the products in the box with the prices. I'm going to put it down below, loves. And let's see what we got. So when we pull it out, it's all bubble wrapped together in this little pouch. Let's see. I'm going to dump everything out, y'all. First up, I am seeing from Sulphur Beauty, and this is the Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick. That is what the outside packaging is looking like, my loves. And we have the shade Illusionist. That's probably not how you say that, Illusionist. Y'all know I struggle with words. I'm not ashamed, girl. Y'all know what I mean. Let's open this baby up. Now, before I open it, I hope it's purple. Y'all think it's going to be purple? Probably not. No. All right, y'all. So this is what it looks like. The color is like in the purple family. It's maybe, I don't know what color this would be, but it is a pretty color. I will not open this because I know I probably will not get any use from this, so I'll pass this along or put it in a giveaway for one of my loves, which, guys, when we hit 5K, I will be doing another giveaway. So make sure you spread the word about TonyaNicole, boo. Like, yeah. This, guys, right here retails for $18, okay? And Sulphur Beauty's formula is really nice, guys. I have received lipsticks from them in the past, and I do like them. Next up, we have from LA Splash Cosmetics. This is the packaging. And what is this? It's in the shade Trickery. Oh, I like that name. What is this though? Let's see. So this is LA Splash Lumos Liquid Metal Duo. It's a jumbo felt tip liner and cut crease definer. Okay, in the shade Trickery. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, the packaging is really cute, guys. Look at that. That is really cute. So on this side, ooh, this is a jumbo felt tip. So let's see what this is looking like. Okay. So it's a black liner right there. And on the other side, we have the cut crease definer. You twist that one off and, oh, okay. That's what it looks like right there. I don't know why I was expecting something different. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it's pretty. So it's just something nice that you can put like on your eyes to kind of line it up. It is a pink color. Let me see if I can build it up a little bit so you guys can see. So you would just kind of like shape out. Oh, I put it in my hair. Shape out and define like your lid. That's the color right there, guys. I hope y'all are able to see. It's like a pink color. It's very pretty. I will try this out, actually. I like that. I do love a felt tip liner. So this is the LA Splash Jumbo Felt Tip Liner and Cut Crease Definer. And this retails for $18, loves. Okay. It's very different. I've never received something like this in a box before, so I do like that. So up next, we have from Earth Harbors, this Halos Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule right there. That's what the box looks like. And I always love Earth Harbor products. Clean, natural products. I do love it. You get 1 ounce of product in here. It is plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, no gluten, no soy. It's woman-owned. It's small batch made. Okay, let's open it up and see. And I know they're pretty pricey too. Oh, girl, look, it's like red. I love that. And this is red algae plant stem cells. Let's see what this is all about. So this worships your face by renewing your skin through stem cell technology while restoring depleted antioxidants, normalizing skin's pH, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. All right. It has a velvety consistency and a citrus blossom aroma. It targets pollution control, fine lines and wrinkles, after sun, and stressed skin. So let's smell it and see. Oh, I do smell like some, it's a light scent. It's not really too heavy. It does come with this little dropper. I'm gonna drop a little bit on my hand so I can see what it look like. So it's just like an oil. Oh, I tell you what though, it feels really nice. Oh, yeah. Okay. And this, guys, is the Earth Harbors Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. And this retails for $48. Yeah, Earth Harbors is a little pricey brand. Next up, my loves, we have from Gerard Cosmetics. And this is the Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base. That's what the outside packaging looks like. And I do watch Glam with Suzanne, and she always mentions this. So I am excited to see this in the box. Let's open it up. And I did choose the shade Cocoa. It was 2 shades available. How do you open this? I think it was like a light and like a dark. So I picked the darker color so it could kind of blend in a little better with my skin. And let's see. This is what the outside packaging is looking like. A nice little frosted jar. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a little lighter than I thought and more liquid. All right. This is what it looks like, guys, right there. Doesn't have a scent. Let me take a little bit out and put it on my hand. Oh, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot. So this should last you a while. Let me see how much you get in here. You get 0.14 grams of product. That's how it looks right there on my hand. Now I do have that oil there too. Oh wait, shit. I don't know why I put it like that, but that's how it swatches out right there, loves. Hope y'all can see that. It's light, but I'll use that as a base underneath my eye makeup. I have no issue with that. It's a little light, but I guess, you know, the oil is down too. So let's see what this baby retails for. Let me know if you've tried this before and what you thought of it. I'm excited to use this eye base, guys. This is Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base, and this retails for $22, my loves. And last but not least, my loves, we have a palette. This is the Pure Cosmetics Defense Anti-Pollution Eyeshadow Palette. And the other one we could have gotten was the LA Splash Classic Horror Eyeshadow Palette. And that's the one I wanted because I'm like a horror freak. But I was too late, y'all. And it was kind of sold out or taken up. I don't know. But this, guys, is a 12-piece anti-pollution eyeshadow palette. And I don't know what that means. It's an anti-pollution palette. Okay, let's see what it's working with. I tell you what, the packaging on this thing is sickening. I'm not going to blind you guys, but y'all, it is really nice. Okay. Oh, girl. We have a little plastic. We got a mirror. Hey, boo. This palette is gorgeous. Look at that, y'all. I don't want to blind y'all, so I'm gonna turn it to the side, but this is a beautiful palette. I actually really like this palette. Oh, I really do. Let me swatch them because this is one of Pure Cosmetics nicer palettes. I haven't seen them rock a palette like this ever. Have you? I haven't. That's what they look like on my fingertips. I can tell you right now, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that. Absolutely. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at that, guys. That's very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love this color story. I think the palette is gorgeous. I love the design on it. It's like a mirrored type design. I love it. I love this palette. I'm glad I got this one instead. Let's see what this retails for. Pure Cosmetics Defense Anti-Pollution Palette, and it retails for $34, and I'm excited to use this one. I really am. Girl, I'm sweating. Let me take a drink and fan while I drink. Y'all think I'm going through menopause? Oh my God. So my loves, that was our final product in this month's, well, last month and the month before that, Tribe Beauty box. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from LA Splash this jumbo felt liner and cut crease definer here. From Suva Beauty, this liquid lipstick. From Earth Harbors, this anti-pollution youth ampule. And give me all the youth stuff you can, boo, because I am forever young. I told y'all that. From Gerard Cosmetics, this clean canvas eye concealer. And from Pure Cosmetics, the Defense Anti-Pollution Palette, which I absolutely love. These 5 products for this month. And the value of this box, guys, was $140. Final thoughts on this box. I really enjoyed this month's Tribe Beauty box. I was a little disappointed in the beginning when I did not get the palette that I wanted, but I'm so excited that I got that one, and I cannot wait to use it with the eye base and then the felt liner and then the lipstick. I'm not going to try the lipstick, but I will use 4 of the 5 products. I'm going to use the palette, the liner, the clean canvas eye base, and the Earth Harbors products. Y'all, I'm stumbling all over my words. It's late. The only thing that I will give away would be the Suva lipstick, but I do like their formula. So I must say, I think that this box was pretty decent. And I do like the fact that it's every 2 months. So I won't be getting it all the time, and it'll be a nice little surprise every couple months. So I do like that. And I think for the price, $34, and the value of $140, I think that's a good medium, and we got pretty decent products. So I'm going to say that I liked the box. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Let me know if you do get Tribe Beauty. I think I have a link. I do have a link, guys. I'm not sure of how much it will save you. I will put it right here somewhere, but it will be down below. Just click on it and you should be able to save you some money on your box, hopefully. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is damn garbage and 3 to the Red Sea, To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying. We're going to give Tribe Beauty box. Even though this is like my first month and I don't really have anything to compare it to recently, I really don't like to do ratings like this on first boxes, but I really like this box. So we're going to give Tribe Beauty box a solid 3.5 to 4 because it's makeup heavy, one skincare product, and I liked most of the products. 4 out of 5 is really decent. So I was happy with this box, guys. Yes. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. I haven't really watched anybody unbox Tribe Beauty, but I will go and check out a few past unboxings and see what other people thought. But yes, guys, that's all that I have, y'all. I'm gonna go and shoot one more video and then I'm gonna go to bed. So until next time and next video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done so, please do so right now. I will be having a giveaway when we reach 5K, guys. So y'all get the word out and share your girl so that people can know about us and be a part of our family. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys. Everything is linked down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like seeing new boxes on the channel. And that's all I got, boo. Until next time, next video, I'm going to see y'all in the comments. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. Wear your mask. And we'll chat later. Peace.